Hey, you got yourself a Yakima SkyRise HD or SL rooftop tent. Nice choice. Let's get that tent mounted and ready for sky-high camping. Don't worry, it's easier than convincing your friends to go camping with you. Step 1. Remove the contents from the tent. Take out the ladder, cover, rainfly rods, and the hardware box. Everything you need for setup is in there, so don't go hunting for extra tools just yet. Next, prepare the clamps for installation. Slide a front and rear clamp into each rail, making sure the knobs face the end of the rail. Secure the end caps using the provided screws and your 4mm hex wrench. Now, choose your deployment direction, side or rear. Note that to enable the rear deployment, the rail must be trimmed. Locate the etched mark on the rail and cut it at that point to achieve the correct length. Time to attach the ladder brackets. Flip the tent over and find the pre-drilled holes under the stickers. Insert the bolts through the brackets and the tent floor, and then tighten the lock nuts with a 13mm wrench. Make sure the bracket sits flush against the floor. Let's get that ladder on there. Position the ladder on the brackets, ensuring the warning labels face outward. Use the shorter bolts, washers, and plastic bushing to secure it. Tighten everything down to 2.75 Newton meters, just enough to keep it secure without going overboard. Next, place the tent on the vehicle's crossbars. Have a friend help you lift it and center it properly. Slide the clamps into place so they straddle the bars, then hand tighten the knobs. With the tent positioned, insert the clamp rods through both halves of each clamp. Tighten the knobs with your 4mm wrench to 3.5 Newton meters. Then test the setup to ensure it's solid. Let's deploy this thing. Unzip and unbuckle the cover, then roll it up and secure it with the Velcro straps. Grab the ladder and pull it outward to unfold the tent. Make sure the ladder's feet rest firmly on the ground and adjust the length to get a stable 75-degree angle. If you have an HD tent, now's the perfect time to set up the vestibule. Attach the hoop to the plastic receivers, pull the fabric over the hoop, and secure it inside with the straps. Use the stake and tie downs to secure the vestibule corners if needed. Finally, the rainfly. From inside the tent, thread the rods through the loops on the side and end flaps. Hook the rods into the grommets on the rainfly. Just watch out for that spring-loaded tension. If it's windy, stake down the guy lines for extra stability. And there you have it. Your SkyRise HD or SkyRise SL is ready for rooftop camping adventures. Enjoy the view from above and take it easy.